Hello, I'm Kanchan Bhaskar, author, transformational life coach, and an advocate, a woman who has lived through adversity and chosen to rise. Today, I'm not here just to talk about a book, I'm here to talk about a possibility. Because Thrive was not written as a concept or an idea, it was written from a real life journey, a life that broke and rebuilt itself. Many people believe that leaving a painful or toxic situation is the hardest part. In my experience, leaving was only the beginning. And when I finally stepped out, I realized something important. Healing is the real journey, that realization never left me. What I didn't understand at the time was that survival does not end when the situation ends. It often continues quietly in the body, in the nervous system, in the way we think, in the way we make decisions. You can change your environment, but the internal patterns remain. And that needs to change. That realization is why Thrive, Change Your Story, Change Your Life was born. My first book, a memoir, Leaving, How I Set Myself Free from an Abusive Marriage, was about breaking free. Thrive is about what happens after. Because external freedom does not automatically become internal freedom. What I began to notice in myself and later in the women I worked with is that the real struggle often begins after the crisis is over. On the outside, life looks stable, you are functioning, you're working, you're taking care of responsibilities, but internally you second guess your decisions. You fear repeating old patterns, you hesitate to trust your own judgment, you feel unsettled, even in calm situations. That is the residue of survival, and we don't talk about it enough. We celebrate leaving, but we rarely discuss rebuilding. For me, the turning point came when I realized that healing is not just about processing pain. It's about identifying patterns, the patterns of thinking, the patterns of reacting, the patterns of self doubt, and slowly, intentionally beginning to rewrite them. Not dramatically, not overnight, but through small, consistent choices. Choosing clarity over fear, choosing boundaries over guilt, choosing self respect over old conditioning. That is when I moved from simply surviving to consciously rebuilding. And over time, something shifted, not just within me, but also around me. My children and I are each thriving now in our own lives, making our own life choices. That did not happen by accident. It was built through steady inner work and conscious rebuilding, literally through a thoughtfully and meaningfully crafted blueprint of each milestone required to fill the gap to rise from survival to wholeness. That is when I understood freedom must be sustainable. Thrive was written from that place of integration. Thrive is not only my story, it's a roadmap for survival to wholeness because healing and growth is not accidental, it is intentional. Each chapter inside the book follows a deliberate rhythm. The first rhythm is my narrative, my lived experience from my journey, not to retell pain, but to provide context. Then I reflect on those experiences of what I could not see then and with the awareness I have today. Next comes contemplative questions to make the reader pause and examine her own patterns. And then the practical steps using practical tools provided to write your internal narrative, rewriting your own story. And finally, deep coaching insights that give you a one-page brief at the end of each chapter. This is your learning lens to keep coming back to that one page whenever you are in need. It becomes your mirror, your companion, your guide. This is not a book to consume quickly. It's a book to work with, to pause, to return to integrate. This book is for women and for anyone who's quietly asking, is there more to my life than this pain? Whether you're still in the struggle, just stepping out, or rebuilding after loss, I want you to know you are not broken, you are becoming. Thrive is also for women who look fine on the outside, who are high functioning, capable, accomplished, but internally feel unsettled. It is for women who are asking, why do I still doubt myself? Why do I hesitate to trust my choices? Why does peace feel unfamiliar? It is for the woman standing in that quiet in between space, no longer in crisis, but not yet fully grounded. I deeply believe in the subtitle Change Your Story, Change Your Life, because what shapes our life is not only what happened to us, it is the meaning we attach to it, the narrative we repeat, the identity that is around us. It consciously changes that story with awareness, courage, and steady action. Life begins to change in response, not overnight, but steadily. And that is what Thrive anticipates to offer. Not urgency, not pressure, but companionship, clarity, and map towards sustainable freedom, freedom of body, mind, and soul. My deepest hope is very simple, that when you finish this book, you do not just feel my story, but you begin to rewrite your own, to reclaim your voice, your worth, your right to live with dignity, peace, and meaning. Begin writing the next chapter of your life with fervor, resilience, and hope. Because thriving is not a dream, it's a decision. It begins the moment you decide your life matters. Thank you for allowing me to share this journey with you. Thrive has now become an international bestseller and is available on Amazon. Thank you.